use malleable clay, liquid clay, and dry clay that then creates these kind of tensions between themselves. And as the exhibition continues, the water will leave the piece, and as it does, there'll be new circumstances inside, and I can create possibilities and eventualities, but I don't control the actually end product, which is what I really love too. I love the hands-off nature of it. And as it changes, there'll be platelets, there'll be huge cracks because it dries from the center out, and that will create all this tension with between gravity and the water leaving, that you'll get these huge crevices, and that will create a pattern that's unique to these pieces that are here in this show, because every show is different.